Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a menu. So first, if we come over here and we click on View the Site, we're going to see that there's a menu up here right now. And this is up here by default. And what we can do is we can come over here to where you see Appearance, Menus. And you can see that there's the menu structure. This is the default one. And what the problem with this is there's going to be some pages that you maybe don't want displayed. Okay, maybe they're members only pages, maybe it's split up with cat lovers over here, dog lovers over here, whatever it is, but you want to have more control. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on create a new menu either there or here, and what we're going to do is we're going to call this one top, just because it's on the top of the page. It's easy to remember. And then we're going to come over here and we're going to click on Manage Locations. So the main navigation menu we're going to pick is top and hit Save Changes. Okay, so now that we have that set up, we come over here to Menus or Edit Menus. Either one will take us to the same place. And the one that we're working on right now is this one that says top. So what we can do is we can say remove, we'll just remove all the single letter ones. And so now that we've done that, we hit Save Menu. And now when we come back here, these three that are just a single digit should be gone. So there we go. So now that we've refreshed that, we can see that. Now let's say we wanted to move some of these so that there weren't so many in one place. What you can do is you could say, scoot this over a little bit, and this will now be right underneath video. So we'll say we'll do downloads as well and email as well, and then we'll put these couple underneath here like that. So now when we come over here and we save this and refresh it, you'll see that this is much shorter, and you'll notice that some of these are different colors, and the reason is the ones that are white instead of gray by default have these in their drop-down menu. So you can actually do a chain of drop-down menus. So like we can say I want this to be underneath this, and this one to be underneath this one. Okay, so now when we hit Save Menu, you can do this as many times as you want. You refresh it, you'll see that now we've got what's called nested menus. Okay, so that's it for how to create a menu.